My name is Lulu, and today is the last Saturday of February, which the Ngonis of Eastern Zambia in Chipata celebrate as the day of Incwala, or what you would call uMkhosi weNcwala. We are heading out to Mfecane village, which is where Inkosi YamaKhosi uMphezeni is found, where we will celebrate the festival of the first fruits. If you're from South Africa, you might know it as the festival of uMkhosi weShwama.
Taimvila lishombe, oh lishombe tebana wa chingoni. Oh taimvila lishombe, oh lishombe. Oh taimvila lishombe, oh lishombe tebana wa chingoni. Oh mutaunga tawela, kumtengula. Oh mutaunga tawela.
Saizwa ngomdumo bantwana baMfecane. Bantwana baMfecane. Saizwa ngomdumo bantwana baMfecane.
Uyalungisa izinto Inkosi yethu ePhumalanga ingonyama Inkosi yamaNgoni siyathokoza ngonyama imisebenzi yakho usebenza kahle ngonyaka usukile ngonyaka 1982 usikhekela kuhle abantwana bakho siyathokoza silo uyasebenza kahle uyasebenza nabantu abaningi uyasebenza upresidenti abaningi abakhulu abantu abaningi uyasebenza kahle silo laphakathi wena ngonyama usilo phakathi wena silo ngonyama wena isilo yamaNgoni siyathokozela silo uyalungisa izinto wena uyasebenza namandla
Bobo sibuhile ekhaya.
How are you doing?
Doing fine, and yourself?
Good. Are you from Zambia?
Yes, please, I'm from Zambia.
This is your first time in Ncwala? No?
This is my third time being around
Third time.
here.
And how did you find it this year?
So interesting, so far so good. We have had a lot of new encounters, usually after the killing of the bull, we had to receive rains. God answered the prayer after His Excellence, the President had to pray for the rains to come so that we should make sure that the drought experience we are going through is to come to an end and God should give us a blessing of rains. And it so happened after the prayer and we had to receive the rains. And we feel so much appreciated and
That's amazing,
we are so blessed that we have a great leader that has to pray for rains.
Yeah, I see a lot of people love their president. That's
it's
amazing.
more like he was a prophet. Had it been those old days, people would want to see the papas and fulfill going prophetic statement. That would have been an example of it to its maximum, that we did experience a wonderful and such a blessing from His Excellence.
That's amazing.
Yes,
and then I want to ask you just one more question.
Okay, please.
So Incwala basically comes from, Ngoni come from South Africa.
Exactly.
So what kind of links are Ngonis here trying to link up? Are you trying at all to link up with the Ngonis in South Africa at all?
Ncwala, that is a fundamental right that people from all across southern region, they need to come together, unite and be one. For they need to believe from their roots that they originated from South Africa. They also migrated from Zimbabwe, and others also migrated from Mozambique, and later on they passed through Malawi and they had to settle into Zambia through the capital city of Petauke, that they were so blessed with beautiful women and Senga women that had to capture their heart, and because of their body structure, the genetic.
And do you speak a bit of Ngoni?
Not really, unfortunately.
So next year when I see you at Ncwala, I want to be able to say Sawubona.
Sabona.
And then you must say yebo.
Yebo.
And then I'll ask you kunjani.
Kunjani wena?
And then say ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila.
Next time I see you at Ncwala, we're gonna speak in Ngoni.
Please, we'll be much delighted to learn that Ngoni.
Thank you so much. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you. You're welcome.
And have you been to Ncwala before? Was this your first time or not?
This is my first time.
And how did you find it?
Yeah, so interesting. I'm
Yeah.
enjoying everything.
Uh-huh.
So nice. The guy, everything, even these guys.
Yeah.
They are so welcoming. So I'm very happy for that.
Good. Are you Ngoni?
No, I'm from Western Province.
But you wanted to come and celebrate with the Ngonis?
Of course, but this is my sister. She's the one who invited me.
And are you Ngoni, Mama?
No, I'm
As
Welozi.
well.
But you also just wanted to come and celebrate?
Yes.
Because we are one people, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yes.
Okay.
One Zambia, one nation.
Yes, that's what your president said.
Yes.
How did you find Incwala ceremony this year?
It was very colorful and very interesting. It's my first time here.
Was it your first time?
Yeah, I'm Ngoni, half Tumbuka.
Okay.
From my mother's side, Ngoni. So
Yeah.
it was my first time to come and see live because usually I'll just see it on TV.
And how much Ngoni can you speak? If I say Sawubona, if I say Sawubona, how would you respond?
I can't.
If I say Sawubona, how would you respond?
I don't have an idea because it's different from the language from Chipata.
Yes.
As in Chipata, yes. As in Ngoni, it's different from
But how do you greet in Ngoni in Chipata?
Munitian.
But that's not Ngoni. If I said Sawubona, how would you respond?
Maybe Salmonani.
Yes. And then I say Ninjani.
Sikona.
Nathi sikhona. You are Ngoni. Others are faking.
Yes.
But you also enjoyed? Was this your first time?
No. Me, I've been here several times.
Yeah.
Yes.
And was this one any different from the others before?
Maybe the thing which was just different that I was amongst the VIPs.
Oh.
Yes, but it has just been the same.
Yeah.
Yes, maybe it could be the different because last year I feel like it was better than for this year.
Yeah.
Yes, I really enjoyed for last year than this year.
Yeah, I was here
Yes.
also last year. I really enjoyed it.
Alright,
Yeah.
that's
And was it your first time?
It was my first time, so
And you enjoyed
all
it?
the experience is new to me. So
That's
I can't
amazing.
compare whether it was better.
Yeah.
But it was
Okay.
good. We
Okay.
enjoyed ourselves.
Do you know anything about the Ngonis in South Africa? Like, do you read about it or about the people that the Ngonis come from in South Africa?
We watched Shaka Zulu.
Okay.
So Shaka Zulu, at least even not only watching, but we've also learned in
yes.
history.
Yeah.
So we know that they came from South Africa.
Yeah.
And they moved up to here, going to Congo.
Yes.
So there were wars there. So the fighting and everything that caused people to move from South Africa to here and these other countries.
Yes. Because basically, you and I, we are the same people. We are one people.
Exactly. Yes.
Well, I was just making sure.
Because my mother is Zulu.
Yeah.
Her surname is Zulu.
Oh,
so
okay.
we know that Zulu comes from South Africa.
Yeah. Well, it's very nice to meet you, ladies. Next year when I come, I'll greet you in Zulu, all of you, and you must respond. When are you? You are the one. You're the one. But next year, we're gonna speak in Ngoni next year, all of us.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you so much. So, have you been to this ceremony before?
No, it's my first time.
It's the first time, and how did you find it?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially when it started raining.
That was a beautiful moment.
Yeah, it was. It was
That
so
was a very
nice.
spiritual moment. Yeah.
It was so nice.
Oh, that's good. Well, thank you for talking to me.
You're welcome.
Now I learned that there's a different greeting in Ngoni, which I'm not sure, because when I spoke to uMphezeni, I greeted him in my language and he was able to respond.
Zulu.
But how is Zulu different from Ngoni?
They're different greetings.
I don't know if they're different.
Yeah.
But you look amazing. Thank you so much for talking to us.
And they want me to go there. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Why should I come to South?
We have a lot to learn from you.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have a lot.
What happened yesterday?
We're behind. We're learning some. When you're heading into war, there are some songs that you need to be singing. So this guy was like showing us how to use our spears and our war stuff.
Yeah.
So we're like, we need to learn a lot of things from him because we're behind.
That's amazing.
So he's based in South Africa and
Yes.
we're based here in Zambia,
Yeah.
Lusaka.
Yeah.
But we're here in Eastern Province for the Ncwala ceremony.
Okay.
And to our surprise, he showed up.
Yeah.
And then we're singing some war songs. And then he just heard them from a distance and then he showed up.
Yeah.
And then
we made some mistakes, and then he was like, no, you don't do this like this, you do this like this. So we're like, he's a great man.
Yeah.
We need to learn.
So you need more people like him who will come here and be able to teach you.
We need more people like him.
I'm saying,
yes,
we need them to come to our camps in South Africa,
absolutely,
youth camps. One of them, uMkhosi.
So, do you come here every year?
Every year, I don't miss.
And you're part of Ibuto?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And this one, how did you find this one compared to last year?
This one was much better.
Much better.
Yes, because people were crying for rains.
Yes.
And then, to my surprise, I was happy at the same time.
Yeah.
After the slaughtering of the bull,
and then the rain just came down.
We just started seeing clouds, and then I was like, wow, this is it. Because people were dying out there. Their crops were dying because we had no rains at all, not even a drop. And then on our final day of Incwala, the rains came.
Amazing.
So I was like, wow, God has truly blessed us.
God has truly blessed us.
As Zulu nation, as Ngoni, we are blessed.
That's true.
It's not always that this will happen.
Yeah.
And people were crying like, we have 3 days or 4 days of Incwala.
Yeah.
And then most of those days, every year, it will rain.
Yes.
Maybe once in a day, once in a week of our days here.
But
this time around, we didn't see such. But on our final day, then it rained. So people were happy. I'm pretty sure you saw what was happening.
Oh, absolutely.
People were celebrating.
Tell me, how much do you know about the Zulus in South Africa?
I don't know much. I'm yet to learn more about the Zulus in South Africa. But I've been starting to take key interest in doing research about them, and because that's my home. I consider that as home.
It is.
This is my second home.
We are one people. We are one Africa, right?
To me, this is my second home.
Yeah.
Because my origin is there in South Africa.
Exactly.
Nongoma. That's where we're born.
How old are you again?
22.
22. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You remind me your name again so that we can jot that down.
Paul Mashowo.
Paul Mashowo.
Yes.
Thank you, Paul Mashowo.
Imvila lishombe tebana bachingoni. Imvila lishombe tebana bachingoni. Omutaonga tawera. Kumtengula kuzochitama. Omutaonga tawera. Kumtengula kuzochitama.
Imvila lishombe tebana bachingoni. Imvila lishombe tebana bachingoni. Omutaonga
Ncwala 2024.
Imvila lishombe tebana bachingoni. Imvila lishombe tebana bachingoni. Omutaonga tawera. Kumtengula kuzochitama. Omutaonga tawera.